I've been very busy today. I'm getting some things to be used for my guest house. Like you're looking at this, managed to get this rice cooker and this bread toaster. And I got a 6-place setting for the dinner plate, bowl, and the side little salad plates from Opalware. So I got another box to open here so I could show you some of the things as I start to buy things for the guest house. I also bought 2 induction cooker for the guest house so they can cook their food. I choose this induction cooker because I'm using them myself. So I know that it's more efficient, it's quick cooking, and it's not really electric consuming. Then I find in gas you just wait and wait until it boils, but this induction cooker it really cooks quickly than a gas cooker. But the thing is, you need to have the proper pan and pots for it, because induction cooker do not work with aluminum pots and pans. So I bought one special pan for this pan with this metal on the end for, it says here, for induction cooking, that will be suited for the induction cooker. So this is the 2 cookers and the pan for the guest house. I'm setting up the guest house for a 6-person capacity. So sorry, mabuhay ang tanduay. I was looking for a tanduay can opener, but I can't find one, so I just settled with a Red Horse can opener. I bought the ladle for the suited for the non-stick frying pan for the induction cooker. I have this 6 spoons, looked in very thick stainless steel, and 6 matching fork. So that's the teaspoon, spoon, but unfortunately they ran out of the knives. So the matching knife for the dinner set is only 4, so I have to make sure I get 2 next time. So I got this fork and 6 forks, 6 spoons, 6 tablespoons, and 6 dinner knife. I also had the chef knife. I like this knife that runs through the handles, so I know it's quite strong like this one. So I got this chef knife and the chopping board and another meat cleaver. It still runs to the handle. I also got a few other knives for the slicing of stuff, vegetables, fruits. It's also made of quite solid stainless steel. This one, the handle don't go right through, but it's half, like a 3/4 there, 3/4 there. So I know this is another good quality knife. And here I only got 4 Hello Kitty mugs, so I need to add 2 more, but I think the guests will just have to settle the Hello Kitty. Like I said, pink and white is my favorite color, so it doesn't matter, they still can use it as for their coffee or their whatever they use it for, their hot drinks. And I bought this water dispenser like this because, as you can see, there's a bar top there in the kitchen of the guest house. So I'm gonna buy a fridge, and this is just for the water, mineral water, in which they can cool it down inside the fridge. Because if I say I want to rent it fully furnished, my guest house, I want it properly furnished, like with towels, with bed changing, with kitchen towels, the sheets, the curtains. It's like making your stay there very, very comfortable, that it feels like home, or you don't want to leave anymore. But I believe in giving comfort to my home that is very comfortable to live in. Because as you can see here, this is my intended bar area. This is now inside my main house. So as you can see, it's all tiled up to the ceiling. But this is gonna be my bar area.